I'm Chip Wynn with Chip Wynn Motors, and soon to be Chip Wynn Classic Car Sales. Behind me is our newest project, and one that I'm really happy to tell you about. This is 3174 Park Avenue, Paducah, Kentucky. We are getting ready to transform this whole building and property into a classic car museum and a classic car dealership. It's been a dream of mine for many years, and finally in 2025 it is going to happen. So I wanted to tell you about that and tell you about all the different cars that we've got already in stock. Now the building isn't ready yet, but we're still selling classic cars. We've got muscle cars, we've got vintage trucks, we've got cars from 1927 to 2002. All different models, all different brands, all different makes. So if you're looking and in the market for a classic Chevelle, Mustang, Corvair, Corvette, Bel Air, you name it, and we probably have got something that you would really like. I'm excited to tell you about this because you're getting in on the previews of coming attractions. It's Chip again. Now I know this doesn't look like much right now, but you're, like I said, you're seeing previews of coming attractions. All of this is about to change. This showroom area is going to be lighted up. It's going to have pop. You're going to see cars, beautiful trucks, all kinds of different vehicles. But it will drastically change here over the next coming few months. And we wanted to go ahead and bring you all into it now so you can see, wow, look what they've done. So if you will notice, over through here, we have got, well, for instance, vintage trucks. There is a street rod right there, Cutlass 442. There's even a 55 Imperial in the background over there. All of this will be cleaned up. All of this will be different. You will see neon signs. You will see porcelain signs. You'll see all kinds of beautiful things that's all car related for car people. So follow me on up here, and I'm going to show you something that we're really proud of, that we've always wanted, but we've never had, but that is coming as well. Well, now this room is going to be something special. This is what we call in the car business a photo booth. We're going to stage our cars here to put on our website. Everything that you see in here, and yeah, it doesn't look very good now, but it's all going to be white. The lighting is going to be terrific. We're going to make the floor white. Everything will show off how beautiful these cars are. They will literally be the star of the show. Cars like the 2003 Ferrari Modena 360. There's a beautiful Bel Air convertible, national trophy winner right there. That's just two of the cars that we're planning on carrying, or that we currently do have, with many more to come. So when this room is done, you will see a dramatic difference on our website. The cars will be highlighted properly, they will be displayed properly, and then we always give very good descriptions. All right, we've got something else to tell you about. Let's say we have the perfect dream car for you. It's great, we make a deal, but you're going, ooh, I don't have quite that much money. Well, guess what? Now we have about 4 different financing sources that if you have good credit and a significant down payment, we can put you in the car of your dreams. So don't think, oh, I don't have all that much money, I wish I could get it. We're going to help you get it. And then after we work that part of it out, you're thinking, well, I'm in Colorado, or I'm in Utah, or I'm in South Texas. How am I going to get it? We have connections with shippers all over the United States. We have shipped all the way from Miami, Florida, to northern Michigan, to northern Washington, and believe it or not, to the port in New Orleans for it to be shipped to the country of Brazil. We handle it all. We're going to be your one-stop shop with an absolute beautiful showroom, beautiful museum, and something that you'll be happy to be here, and we'll be happy too. Come see us. I'm Chip Wynn, at Chip Wynn Classic Car Sales, 3174 Park Avenue, Paducah, Kentucky.